Let's see what are the features our project has. This is auto suggestion search text box. If you start typing the text, according to that text, related items will be displayed in data grid given below. You can see that the related text items are displayed below. To add the searched item into the list, double click is made on that item. Now we insert the air conditioner into the list. Now we can see that the GST percentage and the product ID are automating generated in the list, according to the item that we selected. Now we want to enter the brand name, price, quantity of the product to be purchased. In this scenario we manual entering the details. Or we can also use barcode scanner for entering the details. After entering the details, the price with GST percentage is calculated automating and displayed. We can see that in the rate column. Like this we can sequentially insert the items in the list for purchase. We have another option, to insert by category-wise selection. By clicking the combo box, you can see the categories we have. Then by clicking one of the category, we can see the related category items in given below data grid. We can select items from this data grid also. Remove the item from the list. Select that particular item on the data grid. Then click Delete button. To update the item on the list, we can directly change the details on the data grid itself. It will automating updated in database. After inserting all the needed items, now the grand total is calculated by clicking Total Calculated button. Then the received amount from customer is entered into amount received text box. Now the balance amount will be automatically generated in balance amount text box. Bill is generated by clicking Generate Bill button. To view the generated bill, click Receipt tab. The bill receipt will show all the details of item with GST percentage. It also including current date and time of purchase. We also included certified links, for side check GST percentage of purchased items. Then the bill receipt text box is not editable. To send the generate bill to customer mail ID, enter the customer mail ID in text box, then click Send button. Each time entering the new customer mail ID, it will store it in the database. If the entering customer mail ID is already exist in the database, it will display it in the data grid. We also send by selecting that mail ID from that generated data grid. Let's send a generated bill receipt to the customer mail ID. Now the bill receipt is sending to that mail ID. The bill receipt is successfully sent to that customer mail ID. This mail ID is already exist in my database, because he is a regular customer, so this mail ID is not inserted in database. This is my source host mail ID. can see that one bill receipt is sent to that customer mail ID. By clicking this link, you can side check the GST percentage of the purchased goods. In this search text box, type your item name, for side check GST percentage of that purchased goods. This are the GST percentage of the goods. We also have another features of advertising the offer of the goods. Click Advertise tab. This advertise text box is editable. We can enter the categories and the offers. We can also include links for posters and video ads. Click Broadcast button, to broadcast advertise content, to all customer mail IDs we have in our database. The status label, will shows the status of advertise mail broadcasting. Now advertise mail is broadcasting. Now mail broadcasting is finished. Now you can see that the advertise mail is sent to 8 customer mail IDs. By clicking this link, you can visit or view the advertise poster and videos.